I have learned over the years that you're never too old or too young to try anything or to change or to redefine who you are. I'm JL Fields. I am a vegan cookbook author, culinary instructor, and health coach. I'm not a classically trained chef. I want people to see that vegan cooking can be fun and completely doable. I went vegetarian in my late 30s and was vegetarian for about 8 years before I went vegan, and I had not been cooking for years. My husband had done all of the cooking, so I just became a little bit of a sleuth and then an enthusiast. This is an opportunity to try an ingredient or a food you've never used before. Most of the other vegan bloggers were not older, gray-haired ladies. And that was why I started to blog, actually, because I felt like there was a voice that was missing that kind of talked about you can be older and make drastic changes. And I got a book deal as a result of that. So in my late 40s, I decided to walk away from my career of 25 years and give it a shot. My recipes are super basic, and that was all by design. I just wanted to share what I do at home, and it's not fancy. It's just good food, quick and easy. By adding peanut butter and a peanut sauce specifically, we've turned it into an entire hearty meal. I've taught thousands and thousands of people through my cooking classes. I have a cooking academy in Colorado Springs. 80% of the people who take my classes are absolutely not vegan. They are coming in because their doctor told them your cholesterol is high and I'm gonna have to put you on medicine unless you change your diet. It's a great approach for people who are trying to manage some things that are within their control to try to take their health back. I hope in these courses that people will see that this is really fun and it's not complicated. It's easy and it's okay to make some mistakes because there's never really a mistake when you're trying to learn something new and you're challenging yourself to grow. I'm JL Fields and I'm cooking with compassion.